Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create map collection in Apex with Salesforce developer. So here in developer dashboard, we go to setup and then click on developer console. Okay, so it should open console like this. Then we go to debug menu and open execute anonymous window. Let's remove any existing code. Then what we're going to do is we are going to use map keyword, and then we will create map that contains string. Okay, and here we will have, let's see, product code as our map equals to new map string, and then here you see 1 2 3 that points to, let's say, product name pepper. Then comma, we add one more product with 2 3 4 code, and it should map to product, say, pen. And at the end use semicolon, and then we will simply output this product code. So product 2 code is, we add product code map, and if we output this, it should output this, basically 1 2 3 and 2 3 4 map. So let's wait for user debug to appear. So let's check out event. Okay, now here you see product to code 1 2 3 pepper, 2 3 4 pen. Okay, if you can see this, that means you get the idea how to create collection in Apex. So basically we created map collection here.